TTY, what does it mean? And why does it apply to suspensions? Well, we're going to find out next.
This video is sponsored by Miley, manufacturers of automotive parts for over 23,000 passenger vehicles. Visit miley.com for more information.
TTY stands for torque to yield. It means a fastener that actually stretches to keep the clamping force on the joint. This means as you screw it in, the fastener actually stretches. This is normal, and it's designed this way because it applies more consistent clamping force over a longer period of time. So why are more manufacturers using torque to yield bolts? Well, most of all, it's the clamping force. You can exert more clamping force on a control arm, subframe, or other suspension component with a smaller diameter fastener. This means that the clamping load is going to be consistent throughout the entire life of the component, and chances are it's not going to vibrate loose. But there is a catch. Over time, when torque is applied to these, it stretches. This creates the clamping load, but they can distort and actually grow in length over time. So when you try to put it in next time, it's going to be too long, and it may be stretched out and not able to apply the same clamping load to the suspension component. So how do you install a torque to yield fastener? Well, you'll notice when you look up the specs, you'll see a torque number and also an angle. Apply the initial torque to the fastener and then tighten it anywhere between 30 to 200 degrees, depending on the manufacturer, and you're going to need to look that up in the service information. So how do you know you're dealing with a torque to yield fastener? Well, most of all, look at the fastener. You're going to want to look at a bolt that has a shoulder like this and typically 1 or 2 washers on it that indicate that it's a torque to yield fastener. But never take chances. Always look up the torque specifications and procedures in the service information. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.